Welcome to Shockwave Updates. The United States has announced a reward of up to $5 million for information leading to the capture of Ruja Ignatova, known as the Crypto Queen. Ignatova, a German citizen of Bulgarian origin, is wanted by both the United States and Germany for her role in one of the largest global fraud schemes in history, which resulted in losses exceeding $4 billion for victims. The U.S. ambassador to Bulgaria, Kenneth Merton, stated that a statement detailing how individuals can anonymously provide tips to assist in the ongoing investigation will be released soon. Ignatova, aged 44, launched a scam cryptocurrency named Bitcoin with her friend Sebastian Carl Greenwood and later founded OneCoin in Sofia in 2014. Between 2014 and 2017, she duped investors worldwide of an estimated $4 billion. Ignatova evaded arrest by fleeing from Sofia to Athens just 2 weeks after her indictment in October 2017, and her current location remains unknown. It is believed that she bugged her American boyfriend's flat, suspecting him of cooperating with the FBI. In 2022, she was added to the FBI's list of the 10 most wanted fugitives on charges of forgery and money laundering. Reports suggest that she may have undergone plastic surgery and frequently changes her appearance to avoid capture. Her partner Greenwood was arrested in 2018 in Thailand, extradited to the US, sentenced to 20 years in prison, and ordered to pay back $300 million to investors. Ignatova's brother, Konstantin Ignatov, was arrested at Los Angeles International Airport in March 2019, pleaded guilty to wire fraud, and was sentenced to 34 months in jail before being released in March 2024. A recent BBC investigation claims that a top mafia figure in Bulgaria, Christoforos Nikos Amantidis, also known as Taki, who has an El Chapo-like image in his native Bulgaria, might have murdered her. Ignatova and her associates marketed the fake cryptocurrency OneCoin to friends and family, encouraging early investors to find others and paying them out with receipts from later investors in a classic Ponzi scheme. Millions of investors infused large amounts of money before realizing that OneCoin wasn't a real cryptocurrency and lacked any secured, independent blockchain technology. The FBI noted that when OneCoin users logged in to check their wallets, they saw random numbers on a screen. The US government has termed OneCoin as one of the biggest fraud schemes in global history. OneCoin's prices were always rigged and did not have any independent foundation or technological basis. Unlike Bitcoin, OneCoin's value rose steadily from 50 cents in January 2015 to €29.95 in January 2019. The fake crypto never traded on public exchanges, and Ignatova created a private exchange, XCoinX.com, designed to prevent quick exits. Selling OneCoins became impossible as XCoinX was constantly under maintenance. Bulgaria has announced plans to prosecute Ignatova in absentia, as stated by Chief Prosecutor Borislav Sarafov, enabling proceedings to confiscate her property worth over €10 million. For more thrilling updates, subscribe this platform.